Hi friends, welcome back. So the goal of today's video is that all organizing tips which will take you less than 5 minutes and that too at zero cost. Are you excited? Me too. I'm so excited to share them with you. Let's get started.
By repurposing chopping boards, you can efficiently organize your deep shelves, making items more accessible while maximizing the space. This is how the shelf looked before I used the chopping boards. I had to really search and move the boxes around to find the exact one. By placing the items on top of the board, which is used like a tray, you can just slide the board in and out to access the items at the back of the deep shelf without having to dig through everything. Most of us, we hang the pants after ironing them on the hanger. This causes them to develop a crease on the certain part of the pant, which looks really bad when you're using them. In order to avoid this mark, you can use an empty paper towel roll and cut a slit through it. You can use either a paper towel roll or you can also use empty toilet paper rolls, and you can join two of those in order to make it longer. The next trouser is a bit more wider, so in order to cover the entire surface of the hanger, we can use more than 2 towel rolls. Also, if you want the roll to stay in place, you can secure it with a piece of tape on each end. You can drape your pants over this paper towel roll. This roll will act as a cushion, preventing sharp creases from forming along the hanger's edge. The next organization tip will not only save you space but also adds a spa-like feel to your storage. So after you fold your towel into a half, you just take 2 opposite ends and fold them into a triangle, one on top of the other. Flip it, and then you have to roll it into a tight roll. Then with the loose end, you have to just tuck it inside the edge. This technique, which takes you just a few minutes extra, will save you space, looks very neat and organized, and is great for deep shelves where all the rolled towels can be stacked or lined up efficiently. Here's how you can create a self-dispensing tea bag box by making a simple slit at the bottom. Now you make another cut on both the sides and make a thin slit from where one tea bag can be dispensed at a time. If there are any loose ends, you can always use a little bit of tape to secure them. Gently pull out the tea bag through the slit. The next tea bag should slide down and be ready for the next use. Having all your tea or coffee essentials in one place makes it so easy to prepare your drink quickly. Everything you need like mugs, sugar, tea bags, coffee, everything is within your reach, saving you time during busy mornings. The next organizing tip is to protect knife blades using a straw. By using a sturdy plastic or silicone straw that is long enough to cover the sharp edge of your knife, it will help you to prevent the dulling of the knife and also improves the safety as it reduces the risk of cutting yourself when storing the knives in a drawer. And if you want extra safety, you can also tape the straw onto the blade or use a rubber band to keep it from slipping off. Here's a clever way to organize kids' school supplies using oversized mugs that are left unused. This is such a cost-effective method of organizing. You just need to take out all the stuff which is otherwise kept in pouches and looks very cluttered and organize them in these pretty mugs. Since these mugs are open and wide, it makes it simple for the kids to grab and return the supplies back in the place. And you can always put these mugs on a tray, or if you have a cover of a sturdy shoe box, even that can be used. Here's how you can prevent clothes from slipping off hangers using old socks. You can use old or mismatched socks. Thinner socks work best for this DIY hack. So all you have to do is slide a sock section onto each of the hanger where the clothes typically slip. Position the socks near the ends of the hangers where the shoulders of your clothing rest. The fabric from the socks adds friction to the hanger, making it harder for silky or wide neck clothes to slip off. You can make your own DIY baskets for storing onions and potatoes separately. As onions release moisture, it is very nice to make a basket of a paper bag, which you can do it just in 2 minutes. In my previous video, I had shared with you how you can make the paper bag containers for your refrigerator drawer. There is a link in the description box below where you can check that video as well.
That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know in the comment section which tip you found the most useful, and stay tuned, and I'll see you soon again next week. Bye-bye.